This is Bill Fever, and I would like to talk to you today a little bit about the app Let's Go. And this is my Let's Go. It's a little app to help you with a lot of different things, and I want to show you. It starts when you open it with this saying, and each day, it's a different saying. Today it's be good, strong and of good courage, fear not. This is from Deuteronomy 31:6. So then it says down here, let's go. And I click on that, and we go to getting started for the day. And so the first thing you do is it talks about gratitude. And you click on that, and you can list 3 things each day you're grateful for. So it's just reflecting on things in your life that are important to you. So I click on that, and it's got here, so I can write that in. And so I am grateful for being alive, this opportunity to share, and so much more. And then I can change it. I can change the font. I can make it different. I can save it. I can share it, and I can save it. So I hit that save. So then it goes to that, and then I come over to the right-hand corner, and it says down here, it says mark, and I mark it as complete, and I go on to the next item. And it says stretch. So it says take a few minutes every day to stretch, and it increases your circulation, your oxygen, your blood flow, and throughout your body, and just helps you relax. Well, I've been having some neck issues, and so I've been doing some stretches with my neck, like this, and back like that, and forward like this, working on my upper body strength to help that. So I do a lot of stretching. This just a reminder every day to do that. And then when you're done, you can mark it as complete and go on to the next item. Next is to meditate and pray. And I spend about half an hour every day. I read 2 or 3 different books, devotional type books. I listen to, when I walk, I listen to the Bible on audio, and I sometimes listen to other books on audio too as I walk. So I do that, and then I spend some time in prayer and meditation. And so when you do, that's also something that can help you in just being strong for your day as you go through it. And then you mark it complete, and it goes to the next item. And then this goes to a vision board. And I have a vision board that I put on. You can put up to 6 items, I believe, on here. Like I put this slogan, be the energy you want to attract. These are 2 friends of mine, and I'm on a call, and this is the last time that I was able to communicate with my friend Tim, who's lying there. He passed away a few months ago, and my friend Denny, we've known each other our whole lives, and we've been friends forever. And so that's one thing that I want to be reminded on in my life, that there's things more important than business, more important than all these things, but friends are very critical to my life. And then over here I put some other pictures on like a little board and added that in. I created this board on Canva, so that's another item. And up here I have some things that I wanted to remember, so I put it into word form and then left it there. And then these 2 ladies, one is my daughter, Erin, and this is my friend who's like a daughter, Erin. So I call this picture my 2 Erins. And this was taken in the year 2006. It's something that is very special to me. So then I go on to the purpose and mission. The next item is the purpose or mission. My purpose is to work towards 50 new HBA customers and increasing my Live Good income to over $2,000. And I'm just starting out on this, and I'm working towards that. And that's my purpose and mission for this point this year. I mark that complete, and then I go to the next item. The next item is exercise. Now, when I exercise, it says if you do 60 seconds of jumping jacks, it will pump up your energy level significantly. I get up every morning and I do my devotional time. Then I also go to the gym, and I walk I work out and walk about an hour and a half every morning. I try to walk and get my 10,000 steps in initially at the beginning of the day. And today was the day, every other day I lift weights. And then on the other days, the off days, before I start walking, I do some significant stretching exercises, which I'm working again, like I said, on my upper body strength to help my neck. And so that's what I do for exercise, and I do it pretty much every day. And I've been trying also to watch what I eat more closely so that I can lose a little bit of excess fat that I've got. And so I'm working on eating more protein and doing that so my body works harder. Next thing that's complete is read. I'm reading, like I said, I read the Bible audio. I have a devotional that I have every morning. I'm reading another little book on prayer. I'm reading some political books that I'm interested in. And I'm also reading some novels. And one novel I'm actually reading, and the other novel it's an audio book, and I listen to part of it when I walk. So I read a lot, and you can read and learn a lot of things. You learn a lot of things when you read. So that's that item. Then I go to the next item. That's done. So now journaling. Now journaling is important because you're the author of your life, and let your story be told or unfold. And I usually just write down, today I'm going to put down, I am making a video about Let's Go to publish on the internet, because I publish it in different spots. And later today, I am going to be with friends and family to enjoy them. Usually I write more detail, but I'm trying to be quick today. So then I write a little thing in there. So then you can go down here and let me see. Over here you can save it. So it's saved. If you don't save it, it goes away. So I try to remember to save everything. And then you mark that as complete. Go to the next. And this is a mantra. And I really, down here, my favorite word is persevere. So I always write that, or I write something that I'm thinking of to encourage me for the day to reflect back on. And I save that. And then I mark that as complete. Now I'm going to go to my items for the day. I'm going to work on my home business marketing and make a video and post on social media. And that's basically all I'm going to do. You should do 2 or 3 things a day. And I'm going to save this. And then I'm going to go to the next thing. And it's talking about relationships, interpersons. I'm going to put down to call a friend. And that's something that I try and do since I'm not in touch. I'm not close to people anymore that I grew up with or know over my life. We moved 2,000 miles away, so I'm making new friends, but I've got a lot of old friends that I want to keep in touch with. So that's my task for that item today. And I put that next. And my health. And I want to eat healthy, eat well today. I'll eat light food, track, and look for healthy choices. I want to save that one. And then I want to walk 10,000 steps, save that one. And then I go to the next item. And delegate. I usually, right now, sometimes I have things to delegate, but I usually put not applicable because I don't do that right now. Save that. And I go to the next item. So now it goes to this thing. It's got my mantra and it's got my habit trackers. So work on HBA marketing, walk 10,000 steps, view, went to Weight Watchers. That's a weekly thing. Work on home marketing. Again, I got the same thing. Eat light. I've got that. Call someone. And again, eat light, I guess I repeated that. Then I go over here to the side and it says today, walk 10,000. Have I completed that? Yes, I have. So I'm going to click on that. Let's see. And it goes, yep, I got it. It clicks on that. I got that. Call someone. I haven't done that yet. Eat. I did the morning, so I did some of this. So I'm going to click on that. And work on home business. I'm doing that right now. I haven't called a friend, so I'll need to do that. Okay. And then it's got a spot down at the bottom here that you can use to make notes, if you have notes, and save them. So this little app you can do on your phone, you can do it on your computer, you can do it almost anywhere. It's a great little tool, and it's $10 a month. And if you're interested, look at my notes down below and go to my website, and it's William, WILLIAM, Fever, F as in Frank, EAVER.com/let's goal. And it'll take you to the place where you can look at it in more in depth, and you can also sign up if you want to. It's $10 a month, but if you're an affiliate of it, you can also share this with others and earn an $8 commission on everybody you sign up. That is a really pretty cool little tool, and I wanted to share that, and I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless you.